children. I'm Srimati Anupama Rao from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a kitten, a young cat. Do you like cats? Yes, right? Okay. Can you tell me what is cat? Is cat a bird? No, it is not a bird. It is an animal. Children, today let us learn some of the animals, birds, and insects in the lesson number 3 Animals, Birds, and Insects. Children, here you can see some of the pictures of some animals, birds. Now you have to circle the pictures of those animals and birds which you have seen. In the page number 41, there are the pictures of some animals. Now you have to identify those animals and repeat their names after me. Lion, Simha, elephant, aane, fox, nari, tiger, huli, giraffe, giraffe, bear, karadi. Children, now you have to tell me, where do you find these animals? Yes, you find these animals in the forest. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. These animals live in the forest. So we call these animals as wild animals. Wild is also called in Kannada as ಕಾಡು. ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the page number 42, you can find some more animals. Let us say their names aloud. Cow, hasu, cat, ಬೆಕ್ಕು, dog, ನಾಯಿ, goat, ಆಡು, horse, ಕುದುರೆ, donkey, ಕತ್ತೆ. Children, now you have to tell me, where do you find these animals? You find these animals usually in towns and villages along with human beings. Human beings raise these animals. So these animals are called as domestic animals. The word domestic is also called in Kannada as ಗೃಹ ಬಳಕೆಯ. ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ಗೃಹ ಬಳಕೆಗೆ, ಗೃಹ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ, ಗೃಹ ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಲಿಗೆ ಹಸುವನ್ನು, ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಗೃಹ ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ಸಾಕುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. Now let us learn some of the birds. You can see here the pictures of some of the birds. Birds, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು. I will say their names and you have to repeat after me. Cock, ಕೋಳಿ, duck, ಬಾತುಕೋಳಿ, crow, ಕಾಗೆ, peacock, ನವಿಲು, parrot, ಗಿಳಿ, ಪೆಂಗ್ವಿನ್, ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿಯ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಕೋಳಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ, ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ, ಪಿಜನ್, ಪಾರಿವಾಳ. One more time. Cock, ಕೋಳಿ, duck, ಬಾತುಕೋಳಿ, crow, ಕಾಗೆ, peacock, ನವಿಲು, parrot, ಗಿಳಿ, penguin, ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿಯ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಕೋಳಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ, ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ, ಪಿಜನ್, ಪಾರಿವಾಳ. Children, now we will say the names of these insects. Fly, ನೊಣ, bee, ಜೇನ್ನೊಣ, ant, ಇರುವೆ, mosquito, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ, butterfly, ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ, and the last one is cockroach, ಜಿರಳೆ. Let us say one more time. Fly, ನೊಣ, bee, ಜೇನ್ನೊಣ, ant, ಇರುವೆ, mosquito, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ, butterfly, ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ, and the last one is cockroach, ಜಿರಳೆ. In the page number 45, there is a list of insects, animals and birds, followed by its pictures and random alphabets in the same line. You have to circle the first letter of animals, birds or insects among the random letters in each lines. Children, page number 46 is the homework for you. Here you can see some more homeworks. The first one is write the names of 5 animals in your homework book. The second one is write the names of 5 birds in your homework book. And the third one is write the names of 5 insects in your homework book. Let us continue the remaining session in the next class. Thank you.